Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Okay, let's practice some lines. Hi, my name's Melody. Would you like to have a baby with me? Oh, yeah. Hi, my name's Melody. Would you like to go on a date with me? Darn. Hi, my name's Melody. Would you mind pulling your cock out so I can see how big it is? Oh my gosh, that is way too straightforward. Do you want to feel how tight my pussy is?
Subscribe channel, receive latest
Do
video.
you want to feel how wet I am right now? These all just sound creepy. He's so mature and older and I'm just some young, dumb girl. Probably has girls lined up waiting for him. Would you want to have a baby with me? I'm ovulating. Oh God, no. I guess I'll just have to wing it. I've had a crush on Bruce for a long time. He's such a man. I've always wondered what it would feel like to have him on top of me and filling up my pussy so that I could have his baby. Well, he probably only dates models. I'm ready to make my move. I see him on campus every day and I just am too nervous to talk to him. Hopefully I don't mess this up.
Can I help you?
Yeah, my parents aren't home and I was wondering if you could come and fix my air conditioning for me. It's broken and I'm really hot. I mean, it's really hot.
Warm out. I mean, all my tools are in my truck. I would have to...
Okay, cool. I live right down the street. Could I maybe catch a ride?
Yeah. Could you just meet me in the back lot? I probably shouldn't walk off campus.
Yeah, that's great, actually.
Thanks. I don't want you to get in trouble. Yeah.
It was nice talking to you. Sorry. The air conditioning is right there.
Subscribe channel, receive latest video.
Oh.